Okay, Daniela, let's take a look at this. So, in the schedule that I sent you guys, okay, these are all of the modules in our platform. Okay, so last week we worked in getting started. From the 25th of May to the 12th of June, we're working in understanding spoken interaction, and then the following, here's the dates. And then this is the particular module we're working in the British Council platform, in our platform. Okay, and these are like yesterday I posted everything for our first part of this module, and then next Monday I'll post another forum for us to talk about related to this module. Okay, so if we log into our course, just takes a little second here. And then we go to our learning path here. Okay. So last week we worked in getting started, right? Okay. And so this is what we're working in now. If we look at our schedule, understanding spoken interaction. So understanding spoken interaction. Okay. So this is it. So these are the three units in this module that need to be completed during this time. So these first two discussions here are going to be related to these units. Okay, so hope that helps.